Top of the top. Good morning. Good morning. I need to get set up here. Let's see. I'm a little late this morning, honestly.
Well, good thing there's no rush at the open. Absolutely zero. Good morning, everyone. Now you can see me. Little light going. A little light going. Okay. All right, dude. 3 seconds for full port the open. You ready?
Didn't do it.
And they're off.
Shit.
All right, let me make sure these connections are working on the old Trade Synca.
Okay, we're still consolidating on the 1 to 4 hour time frame.
Yeah, we don't got a lot of shit going on. I'm going to go over the top down in a second here, just getting set up on Trade Syncer, making sure this is all good. Okay. Got that. Think it's going to work. Give me 1 sec, guys. Sorry. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. Gotta get this shit set up on the back end. Okay, let's see. This is a fucking a test. This is
order filled.
Literally, I'm testing to make sure my Trade Syncer is working. Okay, it looks like it is. So that's why this isn't a real position I'm in. This is literally a test.
It's not a real position.
It's not a real position. This is not real. This is not real. It's 1 micro. It's actually really not real.
That's what she said. This is not real.
Fuck, now it's working though. I want to stay in it. No. No.
He said no.
I'm gonna get out. Oh wow, dude. Of course it's working real nice. Well, let's take the $46.
Order filled.
Okay, so it's working. Wow, of course the position I'm like literally fucking around with, I make like, it's great. I don't know how many points I just caught on that. That was just a nice little opening drive to the downside. Crazy good flush, but that's funny. Yeah. Okay, well my Trade Syncer is working, which is good. That's what I wanted to see. So yeah, it's good across all the accounts, which is good.
Oh, they're sending this shit.
I know, dude. Of course. I'm like, wow, man, that was a really good.
Oh wow.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's go over this before I get FOMO. All right, so good morning, guys. What do we have today? Top down wise, fucking, we got FOMO. That's what we got. I literally just shorted that perfectly. We are definitely breaking structure here, which is nice. So breaking this downside structure on the daily. We've just had a lot of like sideways consolidation, just not much. A lot of tails, a lot of wicks. So now we're finally getting a little push down. Where do we go from here? You know, maybe 630s, 670s is also level, the retest of this daily bar high. So kind of watching this. I have that as level. We're coming into that, which is interesting. So let's kind of see how we digest here, kind of getting closer to 10 a.m. But structure-wise, not a lot has changed. I will be watching some of these downside levels, not when we finally broke prior day low in the past 2 days. So 670 is going to be the first area, then potentially 621 if we get down there. Let's go to the hourly now. Hourly wise, right, we've kind of been talking. It's just been a bunch of structurally speaking lower highs, right? And then finally we just cracked here. So now kind of want to see, do we come all the way down to 622s? Do we come into the 670 area and hold? Really, that's what I want to kind of see what happens here towards the open. At the open, why do we get this good sell? Well, opened right at VWAP, boom, and then they dumped it, and then it's got some momentum. So, so definitely that's noteworthy that we're selling, obviously. But the game plan today is I was really watching the 670 area to see how we react. Obviously, really, really strong sell here at the open. 100-point candle, bro. Are you fucking kidding me? And I was in it.
Crazy.
But whatever. I can't think of it like that. So nice big sell here into the open. It's going to be about waiting for these reactions now. I feel like this is so over ridiculous. This is just seems like sus to me.
I need you to do something for me.
What do I need to do?
Yesterday I entered on meta puts.
Okay.
For a swing.
You need me to do some TA on meta puts.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Man,
Oscar said, "Do you do 2-minute or 5-minute orb?" Well, it depends on price action. So whenever there's the first swing high and the first swing low, first pivot, I do it on a 2-minute chart, but it depends. It depends on price action. I don't really do time based.
They have,
yeah, that's what I was looking at.
Yeah. You got the 21 daily moving average right below it, though. It's 746. So you need to get below 745s for this to really get some momentum. You probably have to wait until Friday for Powell.
No, I got it for a couple of weeks though.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, you should be chilling.
Yeah, I think they expire. I'm gonna tell you when they expire. Hold on.
Okay.
They expire September 5th. Oh, that's only like 2 weeks.
I like this little reclaim here. What's going on? To be honest, I do kind of like this.
So I have about 2.5 weeks.
Okay.
But if I get like a strong push, then I'll sell before then, honestly, because it's not 2.5 weeks is not a long time.
Yeah, for sure.
Did you know? So yes. Oscar, sorry, I'm taking over the mic, but
go for it.
So Oscar was like, "Do you do 2-minute or 5-minute orb?" And I've learned recently that people mark out their opening range based on time and not based on price action. Like me, I do swing high, swing low, and that's the range. But some people, they'll be like, okay, the first 5 minutes or 15 minutes, regardless of the swing high, swing low, it's just time based. I don't really agree with that. How do you feel about that?
Say it one more time. I'm trying to understand the question exactly.
So basically, let me show you. I'm gonna share my screen.
Yeah, you take it over.
Okay. So if you look at my screen, right, you see it. I will put my opening range at this high, right? At this high. And then I'll wait for like a pivot, which is forming right now, or a swing low, and then that will be my opening range. But some people might say, okay, well, if it's the 5-minute opening range, let's call this the 5-minute opening range. They'll do that because it's time based. You see what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. No, I
think doing it like this.
For sure. No, well, you're both right depending on the playbook. So it's like there is 5-minute opening range break, there's 15-minute opening range break. Like that's traditionally what I've seen them as and heard them as. So, but yes, if you're able to see
even
the range,
if the trend is still going and there's no pullback yet or anything,
when does it end? Right? It's like what time frame does a trend pull back? If you go to a 15-minute, go to 15-minute bar right now.
See, look, like boom, boom.
Yeah, right? But go to a 15-minute chart. How do you know that's the bottom of this candle? It's not closed yet. You don't. You understand?
Yeah, what I'm saying? Yeah, no, I get you, but what I'm saying is, okay, I get where you're coming from. You're saying from like a higher time frame perspective.
I'm saying from any time frame, because the whole point of an opening range break is usually based on like, is it a 15-minute? Is it a 5-minute? Usually it is time based, so that's why people kind of struggle with it. I think the way you're talking about it is better, though. To be honest,
it's the actual range. Yeah.
Well, yeah, but you can't identify and see that range as a rookie. Let's just be honest. Like the earlier you are in the journey, I feel like seeing stuff like that is a bit more difficult. Where we can see like, prices like reversing here, or they're doing this here. Like we can see that a bit easier. But I think like if you're someone that's more new, it's a little bit hard to decipher that. So you're both right, but just different different contexts.
I don't think they're right, Tanner.
Okay. Well, remember everyone's playbook is unique, man. It's all based on it's their setup. So I'm a big advocate of that.
So that.
All right, so we are bouncing off 670s here. That level that I had. I would not be surprised to see this get eaten all the way back up, dude. To be honest, and then go for 800s. I could see some fuckery like that. I like the overshoot of 670 and a 660, and then barely pinning lower. Let me pull back up. I'm in the queue here. This 5-minute bar isn't super convincing, but it's a nice little pause. See, this looks like it might kind of curl over. I don't know. It's too early. I'm not going to take a trade this early. I know I took one off the open. That did not count. I told you guys. That was literally just, I have to do that almost every day now to test my trade sinker, unless I'm probably going to lock out to like 6 instead of 630 for me. So I can just test it on the back end. So I don't have to do that every time at the open. We're trying to get a good reclaim here. SPY barely broke prior day low and is reclaiming. RTY, YM looking decent. Again, I think that was a fake sell-off. Could have been. We're retesting prior day low right now. That's literally prior day low into this area, right? Boom. 720s.
See how it reacts.
See how we react here. But what's good, chat? What's going on? I didn't say hi to any of you. I'm sorry. Ricky, Drew, Edgar, Oscar, Kevin, Taylor, Kay, FFX, Luke. Ooh, Oscar, Top Step wants me on their podcast talking about my journey. I'm like nervous. No, dude, fucking own it. Just remember, every trader, every trader is like, every trader is going through a journey, bro. No one's gonna judge you or be like, anyone that does, they probably suck, dude. Because they're either just lying or that's what I've learned about posting on social media about my journey. It's like anyone who talks shit. Like I remember the guy that like one time talked shit and was like, he's like, oh, you're only making about 10 grand a month. That's nothing in this space. I'm like, okay, bro.
Damn.
Yeah,
Jesus,
like
bro.
you want to compare me to Umar Ashraf and some of the big hitters.
Right.
Yeah, I get that in that sense. But dude, if you look at it like that, you'll never want to do anything because there's always going to be people that are better than you at fucking everything. It's just like kind of how it is. It's like unless you're Christian Bumstead or like like some one of the big dogs in general in anything, you're just
And what is he making? Is he one of the big dogs?
No, Christian Bumstead's a bodybuilder.
No. I'm talking about the dude that's commenting.
Oh, exactly. I don't know, dude. Fucking, of course, a guy with like 70 followers just out of the woodworks, just trying to be like, So we are getting some interesting action here. One thing I do like that's happening right now on YM, I noticed this morning. We had a really big old weird fucking, I don't even know, some crazy dive bomb here in the pre-market. That was actually kind of setting up this spring where like we've swept all this liquidity down into here and now we're kind of springing back up. Also on the retest here, which is really interesting. This right here is near-term volume point of control. So at the open, we pulled back into it and held, which is really nice. And now we're going. So that's kind of interesting. Why I'm definitely stronger here. Noteworthy. So let's see. I'm going to see how this plays out. Again, I don't think it's going to be the easiest day. Oh, wow. I'm going to give you a free account for this one, Nitten. You look like Chris Bumstead. You won. Congratulations. Oh, I love you. That's all I need. Just call me C-Bum and just my day is made. But yeah, YM, really nice here. Big push. Really, really decent push here off the open. I just don't really want to rip an opening play. I did that yesterday. I don't want to get in the habit of doing that. But that dump into 670 off the open was pretty nice. Pretty freaking nice. This YM might be the winner today. We've already gotten a decent push, over 100 points from where I wanted to enter, somewhere down here. Where's VWAP? VWAP's still below it, too. It's really interesting. Anyways, back to MNQ. That's where we're at.
Let's see what they're doing.
Let's see. Ooh, look at that.
I think we're going to sell off.
Yeah, we could. Definitely. I'm not opposed to that idea. Not opposed to that idea. Selling off here a little bit. Not me looking up who's Chris Bumstead. Look him up. FFX dog. I'll send you every day a morning text like that for free accounts. Don't test me.
Come on, Meta. I hope Meta go to $500 fucking by the end of the week.
Oh my gosh. Really nice reject here. Damn. Really nice reject here on the Qs. Right back into 670. This did reject. That's not where VWAP is, bro. I fucking hate when it does this shit.
Yeah, I need Meta to go to. I needed to go to hell, bro.
Wow, what a dump back down, dude. That's why I don't chase. Just kidding. I probably would have taken that bounce attempt if it wasn't so close to the open, to be honest. Probably would have done that, to be honest. Is my other account set? Okay, cool. 1350. Cool. Oscar's in short. Okay. Godspeed.
Did he short the bottom?
I don't know. He might have. I don't like that personally, but it might work. I don't know. It could work. It could work. I'm not a fan of shorting the lows or buying the highs ever.
Hey, remember this shit? This is what I told you. There's two situations that can come out. If you go to the 2-minute chart, it's either there's liquidity right here and we're going to bounce hard, or we're going to sell the fuck off. It's either we're going to bounce really hard right here or we're going to sell off.
What if we get a little fake failed attempt to go lower here? A little spring
yeah, that too. Yeah. That can happen too, for sure.
I like that potential. Little springy dingy.
Yeah, for sure.
One little push. Everything else isn't really selling off that hard. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's see here. What's the next market structure to work with? No rush now. No rush. No rush. No rush.
Let's see what happens next.
Yeah, let's see. 650s here. Interesting little spot. Not against this area. I don't want to catch the
follow me back to back.
Probably be better to like reclaim 670 than take the long. To be honest.
Your meta puts are up 20%. I know that's right.
There you go.
I need that shit too.
You could get the gap fill on Friday potentially if we sell off. I was kind of thinking about it. If we get a big pop on Friday, but structurally put in a lower high.
Mm-hmm.
If we get like on this hourly chart, for example, let's say on Friday we like break this like wedge down into like, and let's say we break it into like 900s, like a big pop, and then this fails. I'm like, dude, I kind of want to short that and fucking SPX 0 DTE. Fucking
man, I've seen people really print off of the SPX.
Dude,
bro.
on Jackson Hole, I remember there was a time I was in this position. I sold it super early, but dude, that day I would have made like $100,000 off like $1,000. It was insane.
Really?
I was like, oh my god, dude. But the really rare days, and you got to know what you're looking for. Otherwise, it's like you can just waste money doing that, dude. Like waste money doing it. And I've wasted lots of money doing it. But now my skill level is getting good to where I might be able to do it. So
my skill level is getting
never
good.
Give up. Never give up. Nice, Luis. Up $400, fellas. Have a good day. Locked out. Good shit.
Good shit.
At the fill, the fair value gap. Okay. Prices in hourly demand zone. Sellers are in control. I like this little 30-second here. This little I might try this. A reclaim the 650s here. I only got a level at 650 though. But I'm not against this. I want to see it reclaim 670, but that would be too big of a stop. Let's see if we can get something on 2 minute here. A little something. Dude, YM is holding, bro, and like looking good.
What are you going to do about it?
Nothing the second. But like it is holding up decently. I kind of like the long here. Oh, if this holds,
Wait till it clears a little bit. Yeah, wait till it clears a little bit.
I kind of like this. I'm gonna try this.
Order filled.
Stop at the lows. I'm gonna add. If this can get back through 670, I'll add. Let's see.
Yeah, I like 670. There you go. You clearing that shit.
I'm adding. Yeah.
He said, I like the momentum. I'm going for it.
Yeah. Let's see.
Just looking at price action, it just doesn't look that like I'm not too convicted on the bear sentiment just yet.
Yeah.
Like I'm talking about like just on the 1 minute, not overall.
Okay, I'm really wrong here.
Let's go. Meta needs to I need Meta to die.
I'm really wrong here. Am I? Am I really wrong?
Quick question, gents. How do you guys find your daily bias? Me, I look at highs and lows, and then I look at highs and lows, and I see where price is most likely to go to. So that's how I do it. So like if I go in I go to like the 4-hour time frame, and I mark out highs and lows, like major high and lows, and when I mark those out, wherever price is closest to or look like it's going towards, that's going to be my daily bias, or even the daily chart too. Between the 4-hour and the daily chart.
Tricky here. Tricky here. This is starting to we had a sharp pullback and it held.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to add more though.
How much are you risking right now?
$300.
I think if it clears, then you're good.
I want to see us get back above 670. Interesting attempt here. What am I targeting? That's the question. 680s. Structurally speaking, it's just not. Yeah, this is tough, dude. I'm gonna have to sit through this. VIX is red, bro. VIX is down 1%, which is really interesting for that aggressiveness on this push down.
Yeah, facts.
Which
somebody's
like
lying,
me,
bro.
Someone's dude. I feel like the long might. Everyone's been waiting for this short. This is the classic. We break, we retest. Like, okay, now it's really gonna go, and then it actually doesn't, and they reclaim all this here. I might hold all the way for VWAP 730s. That would be nice. Yeah, that's what I want, bro. I want 730s.
God, I need Meta to go to the ground.
Dude, stop with the meta thing. It's a swing. Just let it play.
I need it to die today.
Well, I need Apple to go to the moon so I can make 50 grand.
Apple is going to the moon. It's been holding. It's been holding very well.
I know.
It's look good. It's still in the 230s, right? Even after like a little sell-off.
Nice reclaim here, 670. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about here. Okay. That's what I'm talking about here. Do we sweep this up here? Let's just go for it, dude. So what is it? Do we sweep this, bro? I just want the sweep and I'll be good. Give me the sweep. Actually, I'm put it right below it. 729. See if we can get this here.
Oh,
I'm just gonna take all of it if we can. And like that'll literally be it. Let's see. Right into VWAP here on New York.
That's a nice little sweep right there.
This is what I'm talking about. We'll see. It's like, again, think about context, right? We break prior day low at the open aggressively. We get the retrace. We get one more aggressive push down, trapping everyone thinking that it's a continuation move. And now they reclaim all of it. And they might even come and take this out way up here. You know, that's kind of what I'm thinking on something like this. I'm like, that can happen, bro. That absolutely can happen. In fact, I want to leave a couple runners if I can.
That'd be cool. So I don't know how to pronounce the name. Is it how you pronounce this? How do you pronounce this?
We'll call you I.
I. Yeah, I'm gonna call you I. So I'm so pissed off today. Took 2 trades that broke even, got frustrated, took a trade outside on playbook, took a full loss. Man, it's only 950.
It's only 950.
Damn.
It's only
3
950.
trades?
Oh, risk life. Mish, mine the prior day low at 719. Yeah, you're right. That is where prior day low is. Good good idea, Mish. Let's see. Let's see what she does here. We did just get the flip of 670s, which I really like. We're testing New York VWAP. Prior day low for sure, the 719. That would be like probably the safest area to take some off here. But I feel like they might overshoot it and take this liquidity. I don't know. Could be wrong. Let's see. Let's see. Let us see. Let us see. Like this 15-minute ham skis forming. I just don't want to see you get edged. I know. 10 points. 10 points isn't as much of an edge. It's when it's like a few ticks, dude. Then I'm like, oh, God, that's what pisses me off. It's like, but when it's only a few, because 719 would be like here. It looks like it's edging me, but it's still 10 points off.
Mm.
719. You know what, Mish? I fuck with that, bro. I'll do 719. I fuck with it. I fuck with it.
Yeah, and then leave 3 runners. That's cool.
Yeah. And leave some runners. Yeah, because if we can get a big pop into like 760s, the rest will make up for it there. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. It's really trying to hold New York VWAP right here, which is good.
Yeah. I said I trade FX and gold. Understood. Just talking a little shit.
Just talking a little shit. It's all love.
That's all. Lawrence, how many cons do you usually trade, bro? It depends, right? So like I think that I would say comfortably between 4 and 7.
It's not
depending on the range.
Mish, it's not set like he trades like me, just like based on structure. So it's like it's just how much risk does he have, right? It's like if he sees he's risking, you know, I don't know, 40 points or something, you probably have to size down a bit versus if it's like, oh, I have if he has a tighter entry, you know, same idea. So
I'm risking, well, I would say my daily max loss is $450. So based on whatever points I have to risk for like that structural stop loss, then that's how many cons I got to match it with. Yep. So
yeah. See, I'm thinking here one of 2 things. Either like we're just fully in the driver's seat and we're going to get the sweep here. Or this might end up being a lower high and then we fail. That'd be unfortunate because I feel like that's what everyone's looking for here because we already got the boom, boom, boom.
yeah.
So I'm kind of like, and we are below prior day low still. So it's like it's definitely still a possibility. But again, I like how aggressive this was and then how aggressive this second leg was. Really early, trapping everyone in the first 15. And then now we can kind of like start to grind our way back up. That's like kind of my thinking of it. And if we get back above prior day low, So the 719, if we get a big push through this, everyone who's short now, who's shorted prior day low, is going to be like, fuck. And they're all going to be underwater. And then we'll probably get a big push up into like probably 800s, to be honest, something around there. So I think that's my game plan with these runners. If we can get it, or maybe this all curls over and dies and I lose $300. So
which isn't bad at all.
Yeah, exactly.
This is definitely worth the $300.
Yeah, I got such a good entry down here. I mean, I just see it through. This can pull back here as much as it wants aggressively. I just gotta ride the wave and just see if it works.
And that's a high quality stop loss too, right below the sweep.
Yeah.
So
It is rejecting New York VWAP pretty well right now. It is. How we doing, chat? What's good? What's going on? See if she plays out. What you thinking here, Lawrence? You just waiting?
Yeah, my entry model's forming right now.
Yeah, you're getting a retest of the 670 area. I like this. Let's go through the time frames. Let's see. 15-minute. Okay. It's 10 a.m. This isn't my favorite 15-minute bar, to be honest. 30-minute, same there. Not a huge fan. Don't really like that. It's going to be the same with the hourly and all this bullshit. We did close below prior day low, which I don't like. Let's see.
I'm just sitting here waiting, man. They're fighting through it. I think we're still good for the long though.
There's your little test of 672. I like the 670 test. Let's see. Want to see.
Let's see. This looks good.
It's trying. It's really rejecting VWAP still. It's got to get through this. It's got to get through this.
Not look bad. I gotta see how it.
Yeah, see, it's still heavy, man. But they're trying. They're fighting and trying.
Yeah.
Dude, YM looks fucking good, bro. That's what I like. Is like all the other markets are RTY is pushing. I like that the other markets are pushing.
Yeah.
So it's going to give this a little bit of breathing room to go up. VIX is just down more. That just doesn't tell me.
This is down more.
Yeah, it went from down 1% to down 1.6. So again, if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna be like, all right, that sucks. But it's not a bad attempt, bro.
No, it's not a bad attempt at all. No, this was good.
Me just rationalizing the thinking. You know, actually, I watched a really good video last night from Umar Ashraf. It's the most recent one. He's in his Ferrari. He's talking about like, it's like if you're struggling to day trader, watch this. And he's talking a lot about how understanding the why behind certain moves. And he meant in the sense of like, can you tell the story? Not just like, oh, it bounced off this or like whatever. It's like contextually speaking. And he's talking about like how I kind of just walked through context of like, okay, we dumped prior day low. We came up, got back above it, dumped it hard again. Now, is this potentially a trap to trap everyone that thinks this is the momentum for the day, right? Contextually speaking. And then contextually speaking, if we can get back above prior day low, we could probably grind back higher. And so it's kind of interesting him talking about that. Dude, yeah, everything's pushing. RTY is pushing. YM's pushing really good. SPY's pushing. This should get a push here. Come on. Run with it. But it was cool. It's a good video. Everyone should go watch it. Umar is a really good trader.
Yeah. Do you know how he trades?
He trades he really just trades, I guess, like I don't know. He looks for like just like I guess basic patterns in the sense of entry models, but like again, he's context, right? Oh, here we go. Nice push. Let's get it into 719. Get the retest of prior day low here. Come on. Damn, RTY is ripping. YM's ripping, dude. Do both of you generally only take one trade per day, win or loss? No, I'll rip like 3 to 4. It depends. Like right now, if this one goes well, like if I have a really good one and done, dude, like I'll stop for sure.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay.
Good shit.
Covered the bulk there. We're down to 3. Let's see if we can get the big push through prior day low here. We got VWAP to fight through. Everything else is pushing fat, dude. Holy shit. SPY just
everything's
rip
going.
stick, dude. SPY just a 10-point candle. Let's see. I want 760s, bro. I want this opening. I want the open. 772. We got VWAP literally right here. So this is going to be the battle royale area for sure. See what happens here. But yeah, generally speaking, Mish, I don't know, like if my first trade's great, like I for sure will one and done because I let it play out too. Like I'm not gonna cut it early and stuff like that. That's what fucks me up. Is like yesterday was such a good example. If you saw the stream yesterday, or go back and watch it. I literally sat in this VWAP reject trade, and there was one point where we pulled into I think 770s, and we were holding at the open, and I was like, "Fuck, I kind of want to flip and go long here," and I was like, "No, I'm not doing that. If I do that, that's what's gonna start fucking me up and make me pissed." I was like, "I'm not doing that." And you know, just I'm glad I didn't because then I ended the day with up $800 and I'm like, cool. Like it's trading with these consistency accounts too. Like on the back end, I'm trading the Lucid accounts right now. So they do have the consistency rule, the 20%. And I was trading top one that had the consistency rule. So I was really used to it. And that actually helps me, dude, because like once I'm up 1300 or whatever with my max win or even close to 1,000 or whatever it is in my head, I'm just like, dude, I'm good. I think it's like if I'm only up like $300 for the day or $400, that's when mentally I'm like, fuck, dude, it's not enough. Should I keep going? And like, that's like my threshold for it personally. But other than that, I'm just content with I've just seen the data, especially since I started live streaming. I'm like, dude, I've taken the most payouts I ever have consistently, you know, like near like over 10K a month. So like close to 20K a month now. Pretty consistently for the past few months. And I'm like, I've literally just base hit here on stream every day. And I take $1,000, I'm done. I don't think I've had a day where I've made more than 2,000. So it's like, it fucking works. It's just like about like not being that stubborn and being like, oh shit, okay, like take it and go. You don't need more, especially when it's copy traded and the payouts start to come in. I'm like, okay, I really don't need more, bro.
I need to change this.
Okay, you know what we're gonna do here? We're gonna cover the rest here if we can into 762. Even just a tad hair below it. Let's do 759.25. See if we can get it.
I'm going between 786 and 800.
786 and 800. Yeah, for sure. I think it'll keep going too, but just for my max win. I see that's the thing.
Yeah.
On the top steps, I can run these if I want, but I don't know. I'm just gonna trade them how I've been trading. I don't want to.
Yeah.
I don't want to do that.
For sure.
We got VWAP here. We're gonna battle royale though for a second. VWAP and prior day low. It's honestly such a good potential spot for the short. So really tricky and hard to hold this here, to be honest. But I think I'm gonna see it through. I'm gonna do it.
No, I got to.
Got to. If anything, I kind of want to move to break even. But structurally speaking, I'm gonna move like just under break even, like right here.
That's smart.
I like that. I don't want I just think that's smart.
Or you could go to break even because putting your above that doji, that little doji, that's not bad.
You got this little structure right here though. Like what if it comes down and sweeps these little candles?
I mean, it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
I know, you're right. 715 down all the way to what? 660s. 50-point pullback. This is such a good spot to short, potentially. But if this blows through, then I'm in the driver's seat. So it's all about I'm being just aware of
Yeah,
where we are.
possibilities of it
It's like
going against you.
possibilities. Yeah, it's like,
Yeah.
of course I'm in the long, but my eyes see. I'm like, okay, well, if they're gonna short it anywhere, this is VWAP and prior day low. Fuck, this is where they're gonna try it.
Yeah.
But again, my whole original thesis of the dump, everyone is still trying the short or thinking short. Like that's what's on my mind with this. So let's
Looking good
see.
so far.
Decent. I think we can get 60s, dude, if we really get a ripstick. Dude, SPY just fucking had an insane candle on the 5-minute, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we can get this push here. There's always another level. Got to know when you're happy. Yeah. I'll look for my home run trades. I just know trading futures, like that's what's made me money consistently. Is like take these base hits and fucking go on. I don't need home runs with futures, bro. I got options for that. Like
Mm-hmm.
if I really want a home run, I'll look for it on an options play somewhere. Oh, Home Depot's up super fat. Maybe that's why YM is pushing so hard. Interesting. Oh, they had earnings. Oh, that's what that was. Okay, that makes sense now. This all makes sense. Home Depot had earnings. That was that big spike on YM. Damn, that shit's heavily weighted then.
I would love for this shit to rip.
Are you long?
Yes.
Okay. I know. It's decent consolidation here. Decent. Very
Yeah,
decent.
supposedly.
Let's see. Apple's been consolidating so well on the daily, dude. Still
Yeah, it's
committing
been
to this
holding.
stock so well. So well.
Let's go to the higher time frame.
No, Oscar. Mini scared me doing New York session. Goddamn, over here ripping my stizzy at 7 a.m. Guys ripping the pen, dude, at 7 a.m. I love it.
Jeez.
Good question from KJ here. Lawrence, you adding on MSTR on this pullback?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you're
Because
just
it's still speculative. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just speculative. It's a speculative asset. So it's kind of like I'm not gonna keep on adding. I already got 20, I think I got like 20,000 into the position.
Yeah.
So I think I'm cool with just 20,000.
Yeah, it's like me with my Apple Play. I got 11 grand as my capital in that. And I'm like, I'm good. I'm playing
Yeah.
options with that too. I'm like, I'm good on that. Damn, this is really digesting too much here, which I don't like at all. They might need to pull this all the way back to view up here. Before it goes one more leg, to be honest. VIX down another 0.5% though, down 2% now. Really interesting. Man, I didn't know Home Depot had earnings, and that was a catalyst for YM. Makes sense. Moves on NQ seem so erratic and random to me. Just studying your, yeah, studying your edge. I don't know how you guys do it. It says just studying your edge. Trying to, you don't need to make sense of all of it. You just gotta understand the extremes and understand your strategy. That's it. That's it. Do we get the pop here?
Let's get it. I think we can get it.
I hope so. Let's see. I just don't like how this is rejecting view up so well. Yeah,
Man, I
it probably
swear,
wants
if I get taken out again, bro,
it
like this
wants
would
to
be the
pull. I think it
fourth.
wants to pull back to
Dog.
691. Where's your stop?
660.
Okay, exactly where mine is. I think you'll be good because you got New York VWAP right here on this structure.
No, this is a good trade. I'm convicted. It's just, you've been seeing me taking probability loss after loss after loss, man.
Mhm.
I've taken 3 probability losses in the past 3 days. So something got to give.
Yeah. Let's
Something
see.
has to give, hopefully.
We'll probably see a pullback to the structure or even 687s. I don't think we'll really lose 671. Spy into prior day high.
Give me some buying pressure. Let me know that this is just a retest for next leg higher. You got this.
I'm telling you, I think it's going to pull back to VWAP first. 690s. I'm going to go to break even though on this. I will go to break even. See which does.
Nice little retest here. See if we can get a reaction.
VWAP's just slightly below this. Again, 690s. This is what you need the reaction here. Otherwise, this thing might be comatose.
I swear to God, bro. I hope it's not, dog. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty convicted in this. Like, it looks really good. This looks really good. It's
Tanner, I thought you
just,
took profit at 720s. So that was my target. I took partials. I'm leaving some runners. Leaving some runners. I did take 5 off there. I had eight contracts. Okay, here's the retest of VWAP.
are we going to do this? Are we really about to do this?
Yeah, I mean, I told you this is a really big area, bro. This
Uh,
is VWAP. This was NQ VWAP and prior day low. It's expected that sellers are going to step in here.
but I need the buyers to step
I
back
know you
in
need it,
and
Lawrence, but at
smack
times it
them
doesn't have to. The market
upside
doesn't
the
fucking care
fucking
what you need,
head.
bro.
I
Market
need
doesn't care
them
what you
to
need,
get
bro.
smacked.
The market does not care what
Smack
you
them.
need, bro.
Smack them. And push that thing back up. Mm-hmm. There we go. Hit him upside the head. Yep.
Smack him upside the head.
Smack him upside. Okay.
Smack him. Let's see. What are they gonna do?
Let this be the ripstick right here. This got to be the rip. This is the ripper right here. There
Yeah,
she go.
that's the pullback to VWAP. That's what you want to see. That's for sure. Pullback to
This
on
is
this question right here. FFX is NQ VWAP different from MNQ VWAP? Why? They're the same for the most part. They might be a few points off. What I watch is New York session VWAP and the 24-hour VWAP, which is NQ. So those are different, very, very different. So that's generally what I look for. Dude, YM is just the winner today. Thing is just fucking ripping.
gone.
Dude, look at that. I'm gonna pull this up so you can see it. Look at this thing, bro.
Damn.
5 minute just super strong, super strong. Little consolidation, next leg, little consolidation,
Mm-hmm.
next leg.
Next leg, yeah.
Let's see here. I really don't like SPY's giant 5-minute bar and then just starting to fail. That's what I don't like. I dislike that. But you, Mr. NQ.
Come on, get that buying pressure in there.
Rhino pill time. Where's the gas station pills at, dude? We need to feed NQ with those gas station pills.
Right.
Bro, I remember my my roommates when I was like 22, 23. For Christmas one year as a stocking stuffer, my roommates got us Extends. And I don't know if you've ever fucking taken that shit.
No, I've never taken Extends, bro.
I remember like the girl I was dating at the time was like came over, and one night I was like,
is she alive?
I was like, I'm gonna take this dude and have a great night. And that shit, like, it actually really didn't do that much besides make me feel like I was gonna have a heart attack, bro. Like literally, my heart was racing so hard, like all like hot and sweaty, and I was like, what's going on? And I was like, dude, fuck this shit. And then I started reading about other stuff on like Reddit and stuff, and people were talking about their experiences taking these gas station pills. And they were like, they're like, dude, I literally thought I was gonna go into like cardiac arrest. Like it fucks up something with like your heart rate and all this stuff. And I don't know, it's crazy, bro. But I was like,
I guess it's trying to like pump you up to get more blood flow. I guess.
Yeah, I mean that's technically what like Cialis and I mean those other type of drugs do is they're vasodilators, just to create more blood flow like throughout your entire body.
Yeah.
Nice pullback to view up here, holding so far, looking decent structure wise. Gotta let it play out.
To my position, I would add right now if I could.
Yeah, this would be a great spot to add. I think actually I could add technically. I don't know how it works because I have my daily. I think it would just disconnect my other accounts if it hits. I wonder. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it how it is. I don't want to fuck with it. What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do? Let's get back to 723s here.
You got a question about FX?
How do you determine which is NQ VWAP though? Just click VWAP indicator on TradingView and X. Oh, okay, so it's you just add VWAP in under. God, I just have it preset. I literally forgot on here. It's under indicators and strategies. Type in VWAP, throw it on there, and then the key is here on Project X. You got to zoom out all the way, and then then it adjusts. So this is correct where VWAP is right here, but sometimes it'll be all fucked up on certain time frames, and you got to like zoom out and zoom back in. So that's why I'm a fan. I always look at it on my Thinkorswim charts. It's just it's static and just never moves. But for some reason, it moves on. I don't know if it does that on TradingView as well, but it does it on Project X across all Project X platforms. Jordan's trying to troll you, dude. Almost starting to look like a cell model, Lawrence.
It is.
It is. I'm telling you, the rejection here. It's I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest. I'd be bummed, but it is a really high. You got a confluence of prior day low and VWAP here for the reject, so it's possible. I'm just trying to bank on this first initial boom, these two legs.
Yeah, me too. I'm just really trying to bank on the fact that like we're in an uptrend right now. Oh my God, bro. I think I'm about to get cooked again, son. This will be the fourth fucking day. Jesus, they're dragging this shit. Christ, bro. The fourth fucking day, bro. Jesus.
Take it out, man.
Fuck.
I'm at 660s with you. I'm at 660s with you if it takes us out.
I need that shit to pop right now. Go ahead and go.
Go ahead and go.
Go ahead and go. Send it.
Let's look at higher time
Get there.
frames. Let's zoom out. Let's go 15.
Right.
So this isn't bad. If this could put a little inside bar and the next one go, that's what we need.
Mm-hmm.
As long as if again, I think this 660 is perfect for a stop. But if this can put it a little inside bar on the 15 and the next one go, takes out this wick and goes towards the highs, that's exactly what we want to see. 30-minute, not really a lot to work with on this 30. I don't like it, to be honest. But maybe this bar closes here and the next one wick fills this. You know?
Yeah, reclaim. Yeah.
And what about the hourly? Hourly looks exactly the same. Well, I just clicked 30-second, my bad. Okay, 30-minute. Where's the hourly? I guess it looks the same. 4 hour, also the same. Not a lot to work with. So this 15 minutes, kind of what we're working with here.
Looking there we go. Nice little pop.
It's trying a VWAP. It is trying, my friend.
Bro, I'm getting fucking smoked on. Jesus Christ, I'm getting smoked on.
Yeah, this is tough. It's tough. It is tough.
Yeah, I think I'm cooked. That candle does not look good. That does not look good. I need that shit to reclaim right the fuck now.
Yeah, this is pretty aggressive.
Oh my God, I come on here every day and get smoked on in front of 200 people. Jesus. Let's go.
So here's 670s. It needs to hold this area. Meanwhile, YM is just fucking cooking. Looking great.
There we go. Let's fucking go right here. This is the moment. This is your time to shine. There you go. This is your time to fucking shine.
Oof.
And this is what you do.
This is what you do. Yeah, I don't know, dude. Doesn't look that good. That area was too good of a sell area. VWAP and prior day low.
God, fuck. Jesus Christ, bro. Jesus fucking Christ, bro. Like, why, dog? This shit is crazy, bro.
Be it. It's about
4
to be
days
it.
in a row.
It's about to be it.
This is crazy, bro. Man, I tell you, dog.
I'm sorry, dog.
I think I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break after this, man. I'm probably gonna take. What's today? It's Tuesday. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a break.
Take a break till Thursday or Friday.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
It'd be better action. God, YM is so nice, dude. Complete divergence.
Order filled.
There it is. I'm out.
Fuck. That shit's gay, man.
Yeah, it's tough, bro. Sorry. Sorry, dog. It's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. Telling that area was such a good spot for sells. I had a feeling it was too good of a spot. You got prior day low and VWAP there. And it made sense. Damn, look at this shit fucking die now, bro. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Yep, I love your all mindset day in and day out, win or lose. Fucking thank you, fellas. It's all good, Lawrence. You know this shit is gonna be good. You already know.
Man, fuck that shit, bro. Fuck that, bro.
I know,
like, bro,
man.
This is my fourth red day, bro. It's pissing me off, son. I'm really starting to lose my composure at this point, bro. Like 4 days in a row, bro.
I know. I know.
Jesus,
you're very right
man.
to feel frustrated. You have every right to feel frustrated, bro. I totally get it. I totally fucking get it. I am going to lock up with $700 here. I don't want to risk this personally.
Yeah, I got a call this
I'm
morning,
gonna go
so
custom. I'm gonna go 6 a.m. Lock her out.
where's Meta?
Lock this bitch out, dude.
At least Meta's dying.
Yeah. There you go. You got your meta to die. Lock her out. I'm gonna lock out 6 a.m.
Bro, this shit keeps happening. I'm gonna fucking blow up.
Dude, go take a break. Law of large numbers like this from Kevin. You'll go on a 16-day winning streak soon.
Right.
Lauren's finna go on a 30-month green streak. You will, man. Dude, this YM, bro. Fucking A. And just crazy. Crazy.
I think what's
all
pissing
good.
me off is the fact that these are good fucking trades I'm taking. Like these are decent trades, bro. These are not bad
I
trades.
know.
I'm not
I
winging
know.
shit. This
I know.
is okay,
I
gosh.
totally get it, bro. I totally get it. Totally understand. They'll be back stronger, man. Yep. I agree.
Where's my fucking meta options? I'm looking at meta.
Guys, in the meantime, check out Strong Trading. I'm going to throw you the link here in the chat. We are doing our group coaching, and next week is the next session on Monday. And the first 25 people that join, we're getting up there. Get it for only $99 a month. So check out Strong Trading Discord and group coaching. Boom. In the chat for you guys. This thing is just pushing my screen down, dude. It's going so low. Crazy sell. Shout out Mish if you're still there in the chat, because that's 719 at prior day low covering into there. Save my ass. I would have been going through the same shit. How much is one-on-one coaching? Much more expensive than the group coaching, I'll tell you that. It depends on the package you get. It's all different. So if you're interested in one-on-one coaching, you can check out the website, strongtrading.com, and you can apply. Put the link here. Means you're still there. How come you're not on Trading View? What do you mean, how come I'm not on Trading View? Like, why don't I use it in general? I just still use Thinkorswim, dude. I'm OG. I'm OG as fuck. One of the last few mammoths using Thinkorswim. Yep, exactly, bro. Still using the old Thinkorswim. It works for me. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So, yeah, guys, check it out. Group coaching, like I said, our next session is going to be this next Monday. Last one was really good. We have some polls going on of our next topic, so it's going to be a good one. It's going to be a good one for sure. Got some one and dones in the chat, good markups and stuff going on here. So pretty excited for it. Let's go ahead and check it out. I think we're going to wrap it there. We're going to make sure Lawrence doesn't go too much on tilt. And
I don't tilt no more, brother.
That's good. That's good. I'm proud of you for that. And we'll be back tomorrow. Remember, we have Friday Jackson Hole Symposium. It's probably going to be like the nice, decent move. Got actually kind of a decent few moves today, leg wise, which is pretty good. Kyle put an indicator. It's for prior day low, prior day high. Yeah, I just mark out all that automatically. I'm just Old school. I don't really actually I don't mark out overnight low and overnight high. I don't really use that. I use it for targets, but I just watch prior day low and prior day high. And then I have key levels. That's it. But that for sure is helpful. All right. Well, we're gonna peace out there. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's a new day. So peace.